Hair loss is on the rise and may not have a direct physical impact on health, but emotional sacrifices can be significant. There are various reasons for hair loss: genetics, hormonal imbalances, fungal infections of the scalp, stress, autoimmune diseases, malnutrition. But how many things can be done to help the hair recover naturally? Here are 10 tips to regrow your hair naturally. Number 1. Massage. Massaging the scalp, which can be used in conjunction with hair oils and masks, stimulates the scalp and may improve hair thickness. Trusted source. It's thought that stretching during the massage encourages hair growth and thickness in the dermal papilla cells, which are located in the bottom of the hair follicle. These cells play a key role in the formation of hair. Trusted source, hair growth, and the shedding and regrowth cycle. Massage is also known to improve blood flow and the health of the scalp. A 2019 study found that hair growth improved blood flow and the health of the scalp. Number 2. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera has long been used to treat hair loss. It also soothes the scalp and straightens the hair. It can reduce dandruff and unblock hair follicles that may be blocked by excess oil. Pure aloe vera gel can be applied to the scalp and hair several times a week. Shampoo and conditioner with aloe vera are also available. Number 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil. Trusted source contains fatty acids, called lauric acid, that penetrate inside the hair shaft and reduce protein loss from hair. Coconut oil can be used either before or after you wash your hair, depending on your hair type. If your hair tends to be oily, you can do a leave-in treatment overnight or for a few hours before you wash it. Massage coconut oil into your scalp and all of your hair. If your hair is dry, you can also use it as a leave-in treatment. There needs to be more research on coconut oil as a promoter of hair growth, but it's been shown to lubricate the hair shaft and prevent breakage. Number 4. Viviscal. Viviscal is a natural hair growth supplement that promotes hair growth in people with thin hair. Contains a marine complex called amino Mars C, a mineral-rich combination of shark and mollusk powder, organic silica, and vitamin C. These ingredients help regenerate new cells and strengthen existing cells. You should take tablets twice daily for at least 6 months to see the results. Viviscal also manufactures shampoos and conditioners. Number 5. Fish oil. Consuming omega fatty acids can help improve your hair from the inside, since they are filled with nutrients and proteins. Taking an omega supplement. Trusted source, along with antioxidants, helps improve hair density and diameter. Number 6. Ginseng. Taking ginseng. Trusted source supplements can promote hair growth by stimulating hair follicles. Ginsenosides are the active components of ginseng and are thought to be responsible for the positive effect on hair. You should always take supplements, as directed, and be sure to check for any possible side effects. Number 7. Onion juice. If you can handle the smell of onion juice, you might think that the benefits are worth it. Onion juice has been shown to promote hair growth and successfully treat alopecia areata plaque. It is an autoimmune disease in which the body attacks the hair follicles and causes hair loss in different parts of the body. Onion juice is also said to improve blood circulation. Animal studies have shown enhancement of keratinocyte growth factor, an important mediator of hair follicle development and growth. To consume onion juice, puree the onion and squeeze the juice. Apply juice to the scalp and hair and leave it for at least 15 minutes. Number 8. Rosemary oil. Rosemary is a common essential oil that people use to promote hair growth and reduce hair loss. Rosemary oil. Trusted source has been found to stimulate new hair growth and can even be used to treat androgenetic alopecia. You can also add a few drops of rosemary oil into your shampoo and conditioner on a daily basis. However, you shouldn't use essential oils directly on the skin, and you should always mix them in a carrier oil or shampoo. Number 9. Geranium oil. Geranium is a fragrant plant native to South Africa. Geranium oil is a concentrated essential oil extracted from the leaves. Geranium oil can be used to promote hair growth and promote blood circulation. Mix 3 drops of geranium essential oil and 8 drops of carrier oil and apply directly to the hair. You can also add a few drops to your shampoo and conditioner. Geranium oil helps to strengthen, moisturize and restore hair. Number 10. Lemon. You can use fresh lemon juice or lemon oil, since they've both been found to enhance hair quality and growth. Lemon oil trusted source may help you maintain a healthy scalp and encourage hair growth. Apply fresh lemon juice to your scalp and hair 15 minutes before you shampoo. You can also use lemon essential oil diluted in a carrier oil as part of a hair mask. If you want to improve your hair, make a plan and stick to it. Keep in mind that treatment can take months to see noticeable results. Please devise a treatment method and mix as you like. It is important to spend time every day to focus on hair care. This step and self-care are useful when hair loss is associated with emotional or stress-related problems. Do your best to maintain a healthy lifestyle that complements your hair treatment plan. If these natural methods do not work, talk to your doctor about medicines and procedures. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you find this video useful, please share this video on your social media sites, Facebook, Google, or Twitter. We hope you are always in good health.